Can you believe this, folks? Greedy Nissan dealers are taking Z Proto Spec models and keeping them. Now, customers should always come first. Now, the advent of Nissan Z is hugely exciting prospect for a sports car. I mean, this is one phenomenal, awesome looking sports car. Powered by a 3.0 liter twin turbo V6, 400 horsepower coupe. This particular car has dropped the jaws of so many people in the automotive world. Now, when Nissan announced it would be made available with a manual gearbox, it went through the roof. It's just so appealing, so awesome. But it seemed, as we would all think, that the dealerships are getting out of hand. Now, earlier this year, a Guam-based dealership with 3 Z cars in stock, unsurprisingly, took these Nissans and made massive markups, believe it or not. But according to some people out there, the Z car owners have made it known that dealerships are allegedly reserving their Proto Specs for themselves. Them greedy son of a horses. Believe it or not. This is despite the fact that the Z owners are willing to pay above the sticker for this baby. Nissan themselves, they should be made aware of this and hopefully do something about this. Who knows what's going to happen, folks? There's always something. I mean, any new car out there, it seems like people are going to take advantage of the market, and specifically the dealerships, because it's all about money when it comes to them. A lot of people are frustrated, and they're frustrated that this is happening. Now, the U.S. market is only going to receive 240 examples of the limited edition Proto Spec. Now, the allocation of these vehicles have been predetermined by 370Z sales, making it tough for people to purchase these limited models. Now, Nissan should be doing everything in their power to prevent dealers from taking these cars and hiding them away and keeping them for themselves and perhaps marking them up and making a boatload of money. Dealers know people that are willing to spend big money for these Nissan Z cars, and they won't stop until they're told to stop, because the dealers are hungry. So what's going to happen to such a beautiful car as we see here? I mean, just look at this engine. This thing is just marvelous, folks. A V6 twin turbo Z. Phenomenal. Now, the Proto Spec is supposed to have an MSRP of $52,980, or $990, that is. But there are some examples out there with the markups up as high as $80,000. And that's the point of them keeping them, to make a huge profit. So yes, the Nissan dealers out there, some of them people are just straight up greedy, stashing Z prototypes, specs for themselves. This is the Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.